Internet has become an essential part of our daily lives. We all have found ourselves online more than ever. In fact, each internet user spends an average of 6 hours and 30 minutes online. Understanding the meaning of basic online words is critical to be productive and successful with your online activities and communication. Hello everyone, I am Alex. In this video, I will share with you 15 basic online words that every internet user should know. Number 1. Internet. Internet is actually a combination of words, inter and network. Inter means between or among. It is also used as prefix of the word. A network is a collection of computers, servers, or other devices connected to one another to allow the sharing of data. Internet then is a worldwide network of computers which provide a wide array of information that follows a standard communication protocols. Number 2. IP or Internet Protocol Address is a unique set of numbers assigned to a computing device that uses the Internet Protocol. IP address also identifies a device on the Internet communication network. It allows a system to be acknowledged by other systems. Number 3. WWW or World Wide Web is a collection of data stored and shared in the digital space. This collection of information form and connect into websites and divides into web pages. Number 4. Website is a collection of web pages and related content that is identified by a common domain name and published on at least one web server. Websites are typically dedicated to a particular topic or purpose, such as news, education, commerce, entertainment, or social networking. According to Internet Live Stats 2021, there are over 1.8 billion websites on the World Wide Web today. Number 5. Web page is a single hypertext file or a page that is part of a website. A document which can be displayed in a web browser such as Firefox, Google Chrome, Microsoft Internet Explorer, Apple Safari, and so on. Number 6. Homepage is the main web page of a website. The term also refers to one or more pages always shown in a web browser when the application starts up. In this case, it is also known as the start page. The word home comes from the use of home key on a keyboard to return to the start page at any time. Number 7. HTTPS means Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. Is the set of rules by which web pages are transferred across the internet with a secure socket layer or SSL and transport layer security TLS protocols. It is the common protocol used to connect to web servers on the internet or on a local network. The primary function of HTTPS is to establish a connection with the server and send HTML pages back to the user's browser. By the way, you may see HTTP only, so it's missing the word secure. The additional letter S is more on security features. Number 8. Web browser or simply browser is an application used to access and view websites. Common web browsers include Microsoft Edge, Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and Apple Safari. Number 9. Search engine is a website through which users can search internet content. To do this, users enter the desired search term into the search field. The search engine then looks through its index for relevant websites and displays them in the form of a list. Examples of famous search engines are Google, Yahoo, Bing, DuckDuckGo, Baidu, Internet Explorer. What is the difference between browser and search engines? A browser is your access to the internet, and a search engine allows you to search the internet once you have access. You have to use a browser to get to a search engine. Number 10. Domain or domain name is the main internet address of a website. A website address must be unique. Therefore, domain names must be registered and purchased through an authorized domain name provider such as GoDaddy, Network Solutions, Bluehost, WordPress, etc. For example, the domain name of our website is keepaddingvalues.com. The standard top-level domains are .com, means commercial business, .edu, educational institutions, .gov, government agencies, .mil, military, .net, network organization, .org, organizations, non-profit. There were 354.7 million domain names registered as of second quarter of 2019. Number 11. Electronic mail or email is a method of exchanging messages, mail, between people using electronic devices. Number 12. App is a short for application and popularized by Apple. There's an app for that. An app is a small computer software program. As of the fourth quarter of 2020, Google Play has 3.14 million apps, making Google Play App Store with biggest number of available apps. The Apple App Store is the second largest app store with almost 2.09 million available apps for iOS. Number 13. URL means Universal Resource Locator. A URL is a unique identifier used to locate a resource on the internet. It is also referred to as a web address. URLs consist of multiple parts, including a protocol and domain name that tell a web browser how and where to retrieve a resource. Number 14. MBPS stands for megabits per second, which is a way to measure the speed of your internet connection. The more MBPS you have, the faster your potential internet speeds. The Federal Communications Commission says that speeds of 3 to 8 megabits per second are just fine for the low-end user with 1 or 2 people in the household. Students and telecommuters require 5 to 25 Mbps, and higher need internet users will want download speeds of at least 25 Mbps. Number 15. Bandwidth. According to the website Tech Terms, bandwidth describes the maximum data transfer rate of a network or internet connection and how much data can be sent over a specific connection in a given amount of time. In basic terms, internet with higher bandwidth or speed gives you a faster and better experience over internet with lower bandwidth. Bandwidth is how much data your internet connection can handle at one time. Internet speed is the fastest rate at which your data can travel with optimal bandwidth. Those are the basic online words internet users should know. Watch out for the second episode of this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to this channel for more valuable video contents. See you next time.